tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to see the deep learning model with how to build, that means how to build a deep learning model with the Keras and ResNet-50. The previous session I explained about some basics of ResNet-50. So today I want to see the implementation, that is how to run this model for classify the flower design. That means there are 5 categories of flowers: sunflower, roses, and so how we can build and do it. So this I am going to show you the implementation as well as the output also. So as of you know, ResNet is one of the familiar CNN model for image classification as well as the computer vision task also. So thing is, here we are going to build a deep learning model where the backend is called Keras. So if you want to generate the deep learning model successfully, we need support of Keras and TensorFlow packages also. The first thing is we are going to import the packages like Matplotlib and TensorFlow and so on. Then we are going to consider the data set where we are giving the flower URL and so on. After that we are going to download the data set. Then we are going to print the flower data set like that. And if you want to take some flowers, we can give the coding like this. That means all flowers is equal to list of flowers data dot globe of sunflower like that. So if we give like this, from the data set it collect one sunflower and display like this. The output may be vary based on your Google Colab environment, and we are going to set the height and width. So here we are pre-passing the data set, loading the data set and pre-passing. Then we are forwarding to the training and validation space here. So once the pre-pass over, the images will convert to the form of size image input. Once the pre-passing over, the images will consider and display the size like this 180, 180 and so on. So we are giving the height followed by weight is equal to 180, 180. Then in training we are giving the coding like this, flower data and so on. Then it should display the information like 5 categories of flowers. I just now told you, it may be sunflowers, it may be roses or etc. And we are going to consider the validation set like this. Like this we are writing the code validation set. Then we are going to categories like daisy, sunflower, roses, tulips and so on. Then we are going to generate the sequential model where we are writing the code DNN underscore model is called sequential. This is for building the deep learning model and Keras with the support of TensorFlow. Then we are going to summarize the model with the help of DNN underscore model.summary. Then we are going to generate the coding again. It's once okay. Then we are going to build the epochs, that is history is equal to DNN model. Then it definitely takes some time, and we are going to import the OpenCV model for display the images, and after pre-passing the images will convert to the size of 180, 180, that means standard size. And then we are going to predict. So we are going to predict the one, we are writing the model underscore prediction is equal to DNN underscore model dot predict of sum. And we are here, remember, at last it predict the category as sunflower. So we just showing here, see here some sample image taken and show and predict here. So we are here, remember here we are using the Adam here we are using the predictions we are doing. Here we are using the Adam as a model optimizer because we will try to improve the performance and accuracy of the deep learning model in the training phase here. Moreover, we are considering the loss parameter because it always calculates the errors the deep learning model encounter during the training phase. And matrix is the parameter, very important parameter. It helps to evaluate the performance of the deep learning model here. So like that you can build the data model, build the deep learning model and implement the Keras with support of TensorFlow. At last we can predict the flower like that. I hope that you understand the video. So at last it's displaying the predicted flower is sunflower like that. I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.